Welcome back to Around OHS. We have 4 more short stories for you about programs in our school. Let's take a look.
Oakville students are presented with many opportunities to prepare for their future. Senior Blake Wildansky has utilized the CAPS program to advance his engineering career coming up.
CAPS is a professional development program run through school that allows high school students to get real-life job opportunities such as job shadowing and internship opportunities that prepares them for the real world. I plan to use the experience that I get through job shadowing and a possible internship to prepare myself for my professional career and set myself apart from other high school students.
With all of these opportunities, Blake has found success in many areas, one of those being the Gateway Arch competition.
During CAPS, my favorite thing that we've done so far is the Gateway Arch engineering competition. The competition was an engineering competition given to us by the Gateway Arch National Park. This year, the problem was focused on the riverboat tours. So their dock had a problem with the fluctuating water levels of the Mississippi River. Someone would have to manually raise and lower the dock in correspondence to the water levels when they would raise. Our job was to find a way to automatically do so that someone didn't have to manually do that. We are split between an AM and a PM group, and we both competed separately in the competition. The AM group got second place and the PM group got third place.
To any new students interested in joining CAPS,
my advice to people considering joining it would be to just do it and get out of your comfort zone, because I was on edge. Finally, I decided to just do it, and it was a great decision.
with Justin Rash behind the camera, I'm Brittany Dew for Tiger Journalism.
Are you interested in bowling? Then the Oakville bowling team is perfect for you. A member from the bowling team tells us more.
One day, my mom told me and my friend Katie that we were just going to go to bowling practice, and we both thought it was really dumb, but I ended up liking it a lot. My favorite bowling memory is probably last year when I recruited 2 of my friends to join the team, but now I have a team of all seniors, which is pretty nice, and I have a good bond with them all. Bowling is definitely one of the underrated sports, but everybody should definitely give it a try because it doesn't get enough recognition, and it's definitely a lot of fun, and there's a lot of recruitment opportunities for everybody.
I don't really have any future goals, but bowling's pretty fun. I recommend it.
I would like to go to college for bowling.
To Dino Soljanovich behind the camera, this is Adam Winter for Tiger Journalism.
There are many talented students around Oakville. One student, Ellie Haverdink, showcases her talents inside the art classroom and outside of school.
I'm working on a jewelry, so it's just like rings, earrings, and stuff like that.
I think Ellie's art is incredible. She has a very distinct theme in her work, and she's been doing a lot of like Western theme art projects, even in class and also just on the side. She comes in a lot during AMP and also art club and works on her mainly ceramics projects here, but she has made like different horses and bulls and cows and then horseshoes. She made a barn that you can actually open up and see all the stables inside of it. I mean, it's been an overarching theme for the whole semester, and I think it's just amazing.
I mostly do like Western stuff, so I do mostly horses and stuff based off of the horses I ride. So. My friends from my elementary school, she started riding and she always told me about how fun it was. And then my other childhood friend told me how fun it was. So I asked my parents and they surprised me to go on a horse trail ride, and then I just fell in love with it.
With Maddie Chapius behind the camera, I'm Riley Parisi for Tiger Journalism.
Have you noticed some FCCLA members getting a special shout out? Ms. Dade tells us more.
Because I have a lot of students that do a lot behind the scenes. It's not done at meetings, it's not done at actual events, it's done behind the scenes. And just to give them a little more acknowledgement for the work that goes into putting on everything that we put on. I lost my co-sponsor, so since I started doing FCCLA, I've always had another fax teacher that's done it with me, and this year I'm doing it by myself. And some students really, the first month, really stepped up to help me make sure we still got to do everything that we have been doing with 2 sponsors. Students and if staff members mention something to me, I put those names in there as well, and it's just kind of those the tiger stripes of character, and you know what we want to see from our students, and with that leadership and taking responsibility and taking action. They're doing it. They're showing up and they're doing it.
First member of the month tells us more about her experience.
I work a lot with Dade, especially since I'm the president of the coffee cart, so she just used me and Travis as the first members of the month just because we do so much for her, so it feels good. It also inspires people to kind of like call out their classmates and like appreciate when they're doing something good for the club.
Congrats to all the previous winners. With Sarah Brand behind the camera, I'm Adia Gonzalez for This Tiger Journalism.
Thank you for watching our show. We'll be back to our regularly sized broadcast programs later this month. I'm Mason Bader, and remember, Oakville, keep your eyes on the Tigers.